Okay, so let's suppose that this is one wall of your room. Okay, so just suppose that it is the length of that wall and it is the height of that wall. Okay, now one side of the wall, then suppose that it is the front side of your room. Okay, so it will be the breadth of that room and it is again the height will be same na everywhere. Okay, then as there is one wall over here, similar kind of wall is present to this side also, right? Same thing, so it is will be length and it will be height, and whatever is the you know size of this wall is similar kind of wall present in the back side of that, so it means it is B and it is again H. So area of this wall will be equal to L into B, right? Similarly, if we talk about this wall, it will also be L into B, sorry, L into H. Okay, if it is L into H, so it will be also L into H, because L and H, they are only two dimension. Breadth is not included in this wall, right? Now just see this wall which is in red. So in this wall, only two things are there. One is breadth and other is height. So area of this wall will be equal to B into H. Similar thing is present in the back side of that wall. B into H is also this one, right? So that area of these four walls is equal to LH is the area of this wall, LH. So I'm writing LH. This wall again LH, so I'm writing LH again, plus the area of this wall is BH, and the area of the back side of wall, that is again BH. So you can see there are 2LH and 2BH, so I can write 2LH plus 2BH. Okay, taking 2 and H common, so if I am taking this one, so it is L plus B, right? So that's the formula of area of four walls. Area of four walls is what? 2H bracket में L plus B, or you can say 2L plus B into H. And you know what is 2L plus B? It is the perimeter of base of room. Okay, yeah, you just see here, it is L, it is B, it is again L and it is again B. So if you will search the perimeter of the base floor, so that will be 2L plus B and it is multiplied by H, that is height. Take room and it is multiplied by height. So that's how we can find the area of four walls. Just learn this formula now. Okay, we will discuss this in the next classes.